Somewhere in the cold darkness of the North Atlantic, a story was waiting to be written. This is the legend of the Titanic, the world's largest, grandest ship, Titanic. They said even God could not sink her, but fate writes its own chapters. Titanic was not just a ship. She was a masterpiece of British engineering and luxury, a technological marvel of her time. At 882 feet long and weighing over 46,000 tons, the Titanic carried more than 2,200 passengers across the Atlantic. The Titanic hosted three distinct worlds: first class with its wealth and elegance, second class for the hopeful middle class, and third class for dreamers seeking a new life in America. All eyes were on the Titanic for her highly anticipated maiden voyage, setting sail into history. On April 10, 1912, the Titanic departed from Southampton, beginning its journey across the North Atlantic. Joy, excitement, and ambition filled the air. No one imagined that this dream would soon turn into history's most tragic ocean disaster. The night of April 14, 1912, the Atlantic was calm but freezing. Titanic cruised ahead at full speed, ignoring repeated warning signals about icebergs. The ship sailed directly into the ice field, leading to the dramatic and devastating impact. At 11:40 p.m., a lookout spotted a white shadow in the distance and shouted, "Iceberg right ahead!" The captain ordered a sharp turn, and engines reversed, but fate was faster. Titanic's steel kissed the iceberg. Water poured into 5 of its compartments. The damage was fatal, and the ship was tragically doomed. The desperate struggle for survival began as the crew started the chaotic evacuation process. The chilling command, "Women and children first," echoed, but with insufficient lifeboats, many were left behind in the freezing black water. Out of more than 2,200 souls aboard, only about 700 survived, shivering and struggling for life with no shore in sight. In a final, moving gesture of bravery and defiance, Titanic's orchestra kept playing till the very end, their music mourning with the sinking ship. At 2:20 a.m., after just 2 hours and 40 minutes, the Titanic split in two and sank, swallowed whole by the dark ocean.
The orchestra is playing beautifully tonight.
Yes, it perfectly complements the evening, doesn't it?
The ship once called unsinkable lies silent today, but her story lives on in history, in memory, and in the depths below, reminding us nothing is truly unsinkable.